The only farmhouse we're approaching is the birthplace of Henry Ford, born here in 1863. The farm was located just outside of Detroit city limits, comprised of 70 acres and a family-raised merino sheep. If you get the chance, stop by the farmhouse, see what life was like for a young lad growing up here on the farm. Just past the farmhouse on your left, you can look down on our main street. Here you can see Ford Motor Company, Model T rides, Mary Collins Mill Mary, which was very popular in the 80s, Heinz Horn, 1913 Herschel Spilding Carousel, Wright Home, and Wright Cycle Shop. We're now approaching Menlo Park. This was Thomas Edison's laboratory in New Jersey. He is credited with over 1,000 patents for this facility. If you get a chance, stop by. Our presenters will be happy to show you the incandescent light bulb as well as the aluminum